Okay guys, so I just take out
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell.
Good morning guys. What's up? Welcome to another video of Shakima at home. And today I'm home and I'm feeling like I will eat a piece of steak. So I have some steak inside my fridge, so I just to take out piece, leave it inside the sink to thaw out in a plastic wrap. This is what it look like, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to season it up now with some complete season, because you know that season is my favorite season. So I'm just going to season it up with some complete season. You can use salt, black pepper, which one of the season of your choice, but I just find complete season have everything inside it, so I like to use it. So I'm seasoning it on both sides. I don't know if you guys can see, on both sides of the meat. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm just going to massage the season in the steak. Come on, boy. In the steak, just like that. And I'm just going to take it. You see how seasoned it be? Take it and I'm going to place it in my pot here. Because I'm going to pan store it. And then after, I'm going to place it inside the oven to finish off, because I like my steak well done. I don't like my steak rare, blue, no. We black people like our meat well done. So I'm going to cook it until it's well done. Guys, I was standing up inside the kitchen this morning and just there doing dishes, and I just feel boom, boom, like you know, a shaking 2 times. It was an earthquake passing in St. Martin this morning around 9:01 or 9 o'clock basically, because it was around that time. I feel the shaking. I was doing dishes and I feel it. And I have to say, oh my God, just look at that. Imagine you bring your kids them to school. They're at school. You come back home. You're doing all the necessary things you have to do. And just like in a blink of a second, you know, the earth, the world could end. And you know, you don't have your children beside you. You don't have no husband beside you. You don't have your boyfriend beside you, because everybody, because it's a working day, it's Friday, everybody had different places. Some people at school, some at their job, you know, some inside the supermarket. You're going about your business, and this just happened just like that. Even though we still have to give God thanks this morning, because it could be worse. Because you know, when you listen on the news and different places, you hear earthquake come and building break down and house mash up and road mash up and all of that. That could be us this morning in St. Martin. But thanks be to God, that wasn't us this morning. So we have to give all the praise and all the honor unto God, because you know, God controls everything. He controls what to be happen and what not to be happen. So I'm just going to flip it. Ooh, beautiful. It have a beautiful crispy color. So beautiful. I can't wait to have this steak this morning. I can't wait. Life is too short. Guys, eat good. Enjoy life because in a twinkle of a minute, it can just disappear just like that from you. So this morning, I just want to say I'm grateful. I'm grateful for this morning. I'm grateful for in the land of the living. I'm grateful for my family. I'm grateful for my friends. I'm just really and truly grateful this morning for everything that God has done for me and for, for everybody. And it's a season of Christmas, of joy, of love, of peace, of happiness, and it's just a good feeling. I cannot stop saying that. Christmas is just a one-of-a-kind month. December is a one-of-a-kind month. December is where you go the extra mile. You try what you never get the opportunity to give your friends and your family or your children throughout the year. This is the season where you give back. This is a season where you find out if somebody in your community needed help, if some children not going to enjoy their Christmas, and if you have it or if you see your children have more than what they can manage, more than what the other children have, you just give back. So this morning I'm just truly grateful. I'm so grateful, guys. So I'm just going to wait until the other side of the steak cook, and then I'm going to place it in the oven at 400 degrees for at least 15 minutes. 15 minutes, I will pull it out and then see if it needs anything else. Okay guys, so I just take out my ribeye steak from out of the oven. Look at that, guys. Look how beautiful this baby looks. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set it aside and leave it rest before I slice into it. See that? Beautiful. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of this video. So I'm just going to take out my steak from the pot. So beautiful, guys. Like that, and I'm just going to slice it and show you guys. So I'm just slicing it for you guys to see. Look guys, see that? Look how beautiful that is. And that's it. And now for the taste test. It's so good. It's tender. It's so delicious. You can taste the complete season. It's so good, guys. Remember to like, to share, to hit that notification bell, to comment below to see what else video you want us to do, and remember to put God in front of everything you do. Look at that, guys. Well done. We're out, guys. I'm gonna mash up that food there now.